Hi, Kiddie Entrepreneurs here. Two little tips. One is a money saving tip and one is a how to. So sometimes, I don't know if you can see this, but you get your honey like this. Now I don't want to show the brand, but these honeys are labelled as clear honey. So they can't be sold like this. So instead they sell them off really cheap because nobody wants them. But I'm going to show you how you sort this out. You can buy them in bulk really cheap. Just get a pot of hot water, put them in and let it do its magic. It will just melt it all back down. It's already, look at this, look at this. It's already melting. It's already happening. See this? It's beginning to melt back down. And all we do is leave this in here and it will re-liquefy completely. So we just leave it and we let it do its thing. It doesn't take too long. This is already starting to go very liquidy. As you can see, they are turning into liquid again. Now I'm going to wait for this to go all the way clear. I will cut the video because it does take a little bit longer than I'm willing to let you sit and just watch for. But before I do that, please hit the like and subscribe button below and I'll see you shortly. Okay guys, so as you can see, I just wanted to give you an update. It's getting runnier and clearer. It is getting clearer. I just wanted to show you so you don't think I've just grabbed another pot that was clear. Okay, I'm showing you that this does work. Right, so you just leave it in here, boiling away. Okay guys, so you're just witnessing this finishing itself off. We have normal honey in here again, as I will show you now. Normal honey, it is a bit loose obviously because it's hot. So all we do is take this out. Okay. And this is your pot of honey. Just spin it so I don't want to show any labels, if I can help it. Because this brand is lovely, but I'm not sponsored or anything by any brand of honey. I'm just helping people out. So your honey now will cool and stay like this. And the longer you do it for, you still see a little bit of grain in there. I could have left it in a bit longer, but I actually don't care. So this is how I'm doing it, and this is how I'm showing you. This will cool down and it will be normal honey from now on. So you can buy these pots that are labelled clear honey, that are just mounds of sugar and grain, and you can bring them back to beautiful runny clear honey again. Okay, and hopefully you will tune in next time.